My dear students of class 7. So yesterday we started to discuss the text, the desert, right? There we were discussing about the desert. Now today we will continue that text. So here a desert is not always a flat, unchanging wasteland of dry sand. So the author is saying a desert is not always a flat means plain, unchanging, means not changing. Only one, stretched. Unchanging means suppose there is only plain land, right? Suppose if there is mountain, then river, then plain land, then something else, table land. So then this changing landscape, but unchanging means only one, that is land, this plain land. Unchanging wasteland means unused land of dry sand. So according to the author, a desert is not always a flat, unchanging, wasteland, unused land of dry sand. It may have mountains and hills. This desert may have mountains, may have hills. It may have an oasis. Oasis means a fertile spot where water is found. That is oasis. It is big or small. An oasis is like a green island in the middle of the desert. Like a green island, right, in the middle of the desert, where a spring or well gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. Where a spring means fountain, right, from where the water comes out, and a well means a place where you can obtain water, and that gives plants and trees a better chance to grow, means gives water so that they get water to grow. A desert may be hot like the Thar or cold like Ladakh. A desert may be hot like Thar or cold like Ladakh, but normally speaking, if a place has little or no water and vegetation, people usually call it desert. Means where there is no vegetation, no water, people normally call it a desert. Some deserts are almost totally without water. In such places, strong winds blow, and that blow raising heaps of sands. Heaps means that collect sands and store sand in one particular place, like a heap of sand, like the hill of sand, right? And depositing them and stores them. Deposit means store them as mounds, that heaps. Mounds mean heaps, big heaps, okay? Like kind of hill of sands. These are called sand dunes that shift and move endlessly. That from today it is here, after the storm it is another place. Shift and move endlessly from one particular place to another across the desert. Few plants means no plants can survive on such dry shifting sands. No plants can survive, no can grow on such dry, without water. That's why dry shifting sands. The sands shifted, that's why shifting sands. That's all. Thank you. So you will do the comprehension check of this first part.